So I absolutely love this salad. It is amazing. And then you have the savory green cabbage, carrot, celery, wonton strips, sliced almonds, green onions, and cilantro. I am going to try to make it homemade. The key is having the salad dressing, because I absolutely, that's what I love about it, is the salad dressing. So let's see if we can make this bag salad mix homemade. And I also like the fact that it has cilantro and green onions in it. But the green onions can be a little potent, so I don't know if I want to add that in there or not, but we'll see how it goes. Here's all the ingredients that you will need. However, I could not find the like little wonton strips that they use, so I'm using chow mein noodles. And I chopped up cilantro, and I did use some green onion, but mine was not as strong as what they had in the bag. I did use bag coleslaw mixture just because I got the carrots, I got the green cabbage, and then also the purple cabbage in there, or red cabbage. So for me, it was cheaper to do it that way than it was to buy a head of cabbage. But if I was making this abundantly, like for my massive family, then yes, I would have used head of cabbages. And let me just say that Asian salad dressing is spot on. Absolutely delicious. This salad was amazing. I would definitely make it again and again and again, because this is something I love. I even like to take like chicken tenders and put them in the air fryer and put them on top of it and mix with it. So good. You guys really need to give this a try if this is something that is in your taste buds. Oh, and leave it to Messy Marvin. Yes, I did decide to put it all in a bowl and just shake. And then I made some for me to have for supper that night. And also I made some for me to have for work. And then I was able to make 2 more meals out of this as well. So it was plenty. And voila, like that, there's the salad. Absolutely amazing.